Arnold Palmer died Sunday at the age of 87. The king of golf received an outpouring of affection from all walks of life after his passing, from golfers to other athletes to politicians and many more. The impact Palmer had on so many lives is evident. Here are just some of the reactions on social media. Tiger Woods tweeted, "Thanks, Arnold, for your friendship, counsel, and lots of laughs. Your philanthropy and humility are part of your legend. It's hard to imagine golf without you or anyone more important to the game than the king." John Daly tweeted, "The legend of all legends in the game of golf. Rest in peace, my friend. Always loved you and always will. God bless, my friend." Ricky Barnes tweeted, "Wow, just got the chills. Nicest man in golf I have been around, and will never forget that practice round together at Augusta. Miss you, King." Jordan Spieth tweeted, "It's an honor to be a locker mate with you at Augusta National Golf Course. You inspired millions, changed the game, and will be forever missed. Hashtag Arnie." President Obama shared his condolences, tweeting, "Here's to the king who was as extraordinary on the links as he was generous to others. Thanks for the memories, Arnold."